So we're going to go ahead and strip this wire like we did earlier. So here to strip this wire, we're using the wire strippers that are part of this particular set of pliers. You can get wire strippers that have a whole series of different size wires. But there's just two on here that happen to work. That larger one. So you just clip it around the wire and wrap it, or swing it back and forth several times, and then you can just pull on the wire, or on the coating itself, and it should pull off. The longer piece that you're trying to strip, there's a little bit more friction to be pulling against. And just twist it back and forth several times while maintaining good pressure on it.